The power within igniting your winning mindset. A winning mindset is like a fire inside. It burns with passion. It fuels your dreams. This fire is what keeps you going when times are tough. It's the inner strength that pushes you to achieve greatness, no matter the obstacles in your path. With a winning mindset, you believe in yourself. You overcome challenges. You never give up. Every step you take, every hurdle you cross, you grow stronger and more resilient. This mindset transforms your failures into lessons and your efforts into achievements. This mindset is key to success with OnPassive. OnPassive provides the tools. You provide the drive. Together, amazing things happen. When you combine your determination with the innovative solutions from OnPassive, you create a synergy that propels you towards your goals. Think of your mindset as a seed. This seed holds the potential for incredible growth. It's small now, but with the right care and attention, it can become something magnificent. With nurturing, it grows into a strong tree. This tree represents your journey, your progress, and your ultimate success. Each day you nurture your mindset, you are investing in your future. This tree is your success. It stands tall and proud, a testament to your hard work and perseverance. It's a symbol of what you can achieve when you believe in yourself and stay committed to your goals. It's time to plant your seed and watch it grow. Embrace the journey, nurture your mindset, and witness the incredible transformation that follows. Your success story begins now. But first, please take a moment and subscribe, like, and comment below. Thanks. Believing in you, the foundation of success. Belief is powerful. It is the cornerstone upon which all achievements are built. Without belief, even the most well-laid plans can falter. But with it, the impossible becomes possible. When you believe in yourself, anything is possible. You unlock a reservoir of potential that propels you forward, even in the face of adversity. You have the strength to face any obstacle. Every challenge becomes a stepping stone, every setback a lesson. You have the courage to pursue your dreams. Doubts may creep in. That's okay. They are a natural part of the journey. Acknowledge them, but don't let them control you. Remember your strengths. Remember your past successes. Each victory, no matter how small, is a testament to your capability. Focus on what you can control, your actions, your daily habits. These small, consistent efforts compound over time. Your attitude, your effort, these are within your power. They shape your reality and pave the way for success. These are the building blocks of belief. With them, you can construct a future filled with endless possibilities. Overcoming obstacles. Turning challenges into triumphs. Challenges are a part of life. They test us. They make us stronger. A winning mindset sees challenges as opportunities for growth. When you face a setback, don't give up. Analyze the situation. Learn from your mistakes. Come back stronger and wiser. Remember, every successful person has faced obstacles. It's how they responded that made the difference. Cultivating positivity habits for a winning mindset. A positive mindset attracts success. It starts with your thoughts. Choose to focus on the good. Find the silver lining in every situation. Surround yourself with positive influences. People who uplift you. Mentors who inspire you. Create an environment that supports your growth. Practice gratitude. Be thankful for what you have. This simple act can shift your perspective and boost your happiness. OnPassive and beyond, the transformative impact of a winning mindset. This mindset is not just a fleeting thought or a temporary boost of confidence. It's a deep-seated belief that you can achieve greatness, no matter the obstacles in your path. It's about seeing opportunities where others see challenges and turning setbacks into comebacks. A winning mindset is not just for business, it's for every aspect of your life. Whether you're an athlete pushing your limits, a student striving for excellence, or an individual seeking personal growth, this mindset can propel you forward. It's a way of life. It influences your relationships, your health, and your overall well-being. When you adopt a winning mindset, you radiate positivity and inspire those around you. It transforms how you approach everything. You become more resilient, more confident, more successful. Challenges become stepping stones, and every failure is a lesson learned. You start to see the world through a lens of possibilities. With OnPassive, a winning mindset is your key to unlocking extraordinary results. The platform is powerful, offering tools and resources to help you succeed. But it's your mindset that will amplify these tools and turn potential into reality. but it's your mindset that will determine your success. Embrace the journey. Embrace the challenges. Every obstacle is an opportunity to grow, to learn, and to become stronger. Embrace the power within you. Take time to reflect, to meditate, and to connect with your inner strength. This inner power is what fuels your winning mindset. With a winning mindset, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. The possibilities are endless, and the journey is yours to shape. Believe in yourself, and let your winning mindset guide you to extraordinary achievements. For more information about how you too can find success with OnPassive, please go to the description below. Thank you and have an awesome day.